Burping is equally important as breastfeeding your baby. And in this video, we will see the different positions of burping. Hi everyone, this is Namrata Sharma. I'm a certified childbirth educator from Kappa and the founder of pebblefeed.com. Burping is a must to avoid a cranky and colicky baby. The baby tends to take in air when the baby is crying or if it is a bottle-fed baby. There are 3 ways of burping the baby. One is over the shoulder, the other one is sitting on the lap, and the third one is lying over the lap. And we'll see all these 3 techniques one by one. I am going to demonstrate all the 3 techniques by using my doll Zoe. I'm really very sorry, this time it's all messed up. My kids keep playing with it and making it dirty and dirty every time. So talking of the first position, that's on the shoulders. It gets easy to hold your baby, and the main purpose is that the stomach of the baby needs to press over your shoulder. One of the best ways would be to let the baby hang on your shoulders. So it would be something like this, where your baby is literally hanging on your shoulders, which helps the baby's stomach to press over your shoulder. And then with your dominant hand, like for example if you're righty, you can start patting the baby. That is one of the positions that's over the shoulder. The second position is sitting on the lap. So you make your baby sit over your lap. With one of your hands, just support the baby's chin and neck. And then with the other hand, just continue to pat the baby's back. So by this position also your baby can burp. So the third position is lying across the lap. It is totally your call if you're comfortable with this technique. So in this position, what you do is you support the baby's neck and face with your fingers and the baby's chest. You put the baby across the lap. See to it that the baby is free to breathe and it's not pressing against your thighs. And then you start tapping on the baby's back so that the baby can burp. A lot of times in this position, your baby will get used to sleeping. So if you are comfortable putting your baby to sleep in this position, you can go ahead with that too. Here are 2 bonus tips for you. One is, do not forget to use a cloth when you're burping your baby, because a lot of kids tend to spit milk out because initially they don't understand how much quantity of milk they need. So due to over drinking, while burping, they might spit the milk out. And the second is, burping is best done by fathers as they have a very heavy hand. By this way, fathers too feel involved that they are doing something for the baby. To know more about pregnancy, labor, and post-pregnancy, do not forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for my upcoming videos. And please do share these videos with your friends and family who are expecting their little bundle of joy. Thank you.